Alright, here we are back up here at Wilkesboro Dragway, testing tune tonight. Packed house. There's a lot of people here. We've got that Coyote right there. We're going to try to get it tested for a customer. We've got another customer car up here we're going to test. Of course, we've got the little green S10. Getting it ready for another race coming up. So, hey, we're going to check out what else is here and hopefully see some good passes because the weather is cooling down. It should be a good night. Well, pretty much for anybody. Well, we've heard of blowing the doors off as an old expression while you're racing, but how about blowing the tailgate off? That was first for me, but we got it back up. Only thing, it looks like the wing's bent just a little bit. We'll get it on down here and check it out. Make sure everything else looks good with it. Get back to do a little more testing. What you got done to this thing?
Turbo.
What size turbo you got?
78.
78? Still,
yeah.
What motor you running? 4.6?
Yep.
Making a lot of boost, stock bottom end, or just?
Got rods and heads done, that's it. 20 pounds of boost.
How's it running so far?
Keep spinning.
Keep spinning?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's street tire life. Get that thing on a tire.
I'm gonna get a bigger tire on it.
Hey, that's a sleeper right there for sure. Coyote kind of night here. right, here's our next one where Robbie's actually going to drive his car for him and build a few tunes for her. We should be ready to go racing. Not bad, 7-11. Yeah, 7-11, 101. All right, here's the S550 the customer is actually driving it himself there. We got old turbo 2 valve over here. So we got some little turbo on turbo action here. There's everybody's favorite third gen stick shift Camaro. Here we go, another pass. Like I said, he's building some tunes for her, so she'll have 2 or 3 to go by. On the bump. Yeah, we'll try this again. All right. Now you grinning from ear to ear.
I know.
What do you think? First couple passes there, you know, like I said.
Faster than it was.
Yeah, he's working on building you some tunes.
Yeah.
So you'll be. I'm anxious to see you get in, to be honest
Right,
with you.
yeah. I'm anxious to feel it. It's gonna be exciting.
But I know that. Which the biggest thing for him, he's wanting to make sure it's going to be easy for you as far as, hey, here's what the tune is. This is what you can switch to.
Like.
Yeah, this is what it's going to feel like, and he'll show you what all to adjust. And like I said, have a couple tuner tunes in there. But
yeah, I'm happy with it.
Looks good.
It looks good. Yeah.
When you gonna try it? You gonna try it before the night's over, or you gonna?
If he's happy with it, then I'll be happy with it, and we'll see what it'll do with me.
I'm looking forward to it. 26.